Like every YouTuber, I'm going back to school shopping in July. See you at Target. Now we're in the back to school section. Okay, it's kind of sad because it says patio and garden here. We're definitely back to school shopping way too early, but like you have to do it for the content, right? So we went to Panera because there's a Panera next here. So when I was in middle school, they gave you like an exact list of what to get, but when you go into high school, I guess they just don't give you a list. I'm gonna have 6 classes, I think. So I'm just gonna get like notebook for each class, I think, and some folders and a planner. And Chen is gonna be shopping for some college stuff. If you had these pens in middle school, you're a tryhard. Who pays like $20 for like 10 pencils? I really like these. Please comment down below. Will I get bullied if I buy this notebook and bring it in on the first day of school? So these like paper folders are all cute and all, but they do not last. I recommend if you guys are in Target to get like...
These are the ones you want to get. The 5-star like...
Chen went through high school, so she knows the deal.
And also you want to get graph paper.
I wish I could just get white for all of mine, but that'd be not efficient. Right now we're walking more towards like the journal and planner area. I saw like a cute planner back there, so I put it in the cart, but I still want to look more because I don't think I found the planner like I really want. I really want like an Erin Condren planner because I feel like a planner is something that you're literally going to use every single day of school, so you should love it. I'm currently looking at some books because I guess that's like back to school related. I have been obsessed with self-help books, and if you guys want to read any, Atomic Habits is such a good one. I finished it a few months ago and it's really helped me like understand the science behind habits. Please read this book. It's given me a lot of perspective. I read it like a year ago and I highly recommend. So now that you guys have seen my little shopping vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my backpack. I'm going to be talking a little bit about how I feel about going to my first year of high school. I feel pretty excited, a little bit nervous in some ways, but I'm just excited for the freedom and stuff. But I don't even know if we're going to have freedom because I have no idea if my school is going to be online or in person. So let's just get on into what's in my backpack. I'm going to be starting from the front and going to the back. So on my backpack, I have a little Clouds AirPod case. My friend got it for me for my birthday. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's super cute. I love AirPod cases. I actually had a boba one. I think they just add so much to your AirPods, and also you'll never lose your AirPods because like no one will probably have like a cloud case or something. Oh, and I have like the North Face Borealis backpack. I used this backpack last year. It's pretty nice. I love it. It's really good for back support, but the only thing that like really makes me mad about this backpack is that it does not stand by itself. You always have to have it on a pole, on a wall, but I definitely wouldn't switch it for any other backpack because I also have my Fjallraven Kanken, but it's way too small for school. On my side, I have my yellow Hydro Flask. I've been wanting a new Hydro Flask recently, but I know it's not necessary. But I've kind of just outgrown the yellow color because I actually bought this for a Visco Girl video, and it's not like really my style. In my smallest pocket in the front, I just have a phone charger. I heard in high school you just have a lot more freedom with having your phone around and like charging it and stuff. And that's gonna be so weird because like in middle school we literally couldn't have our phones on us, so it's just gonna be a weird transition. I'm gonna try my best not to get distracted on my phone in school. I feel like with social media that can be really hard, but I'm also kind of paranoid about missing stuff in class, so I'm sure I'm gonna be fine with those distractions. If you guys are enjoying my video so far, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. My next pocket is pretty fun. In here I have my dorky hygiene kit. Oh my gosh, it's kind of cringy to call it a hygiene kit, but I just have like this Vera Bradley like pencil bag that I've used for like, you know, period stuff, the classic pads. I have some Kleenex, and I also have hand sanitizer in here. It's from Bath & Body Works. I feel like this is extremely necessary during this time. I also have my Glossier Mango Balm.com. I love Glossier's like lip balms. I definitely recommend that you guys get the mango flavor. This one's like delicious. And I also have my good old Smith's Rose and Vanilla deodorant. This one's organic, and I heard organic deodorant is a lot better for you than normal deodorant. I told you guys about this in a previous video, but I did not wear deodorant in middle school. I'm changing my habits. I know it's gross. So many of my friends would be like, I don't understand people who don't wear deodorant. That's so gross. And I'd just be like, yeah. And I'm finally owning up to it now. I feel like that's literally why not many boys liked me in middle school, because they were just repulsed. I also have Post-its. Post-its actually sent me like 2 huge boxes of their note cubes, so if you go to my school and you ever need some Post-its, I got you. I also have a pretty cool calculator in this pocket. It's like the classic scientific one. Math is my least favorite subject, so we're just not going to talk about it. I'm really that person to like not be that good at a subject but force myself to take the hardest class just because I don't want to be weak in a subject. The next pocket is like the main pocket where we have the bulk of the supplies. I got some pretty cute notebooks that I really like. Starting off with a super basic composition notebook. Usually for history, they require us to have like a composition notebook. I don't even know why. They're not that cute, but they're super cheap, so it's a great resource, I guess. But I got this kind of like hippie notebook. It has like Buddhist signs on it. Like, I am not Buddhist or anything, but I thought it was cute. I'm Christian, but please don't come for me. And then I got this vegetable journal. I thought it was super quirky. I think it's just so funny. It's literally like vegetables working out with other vegetables. I'm thinking of using this notebook for biology because it's like kind of like life related. Then I have some graph paper to remind me of my least favorite subject. I also have some like dividers for my binders. Last year I used like these cringy paper dividers and they like broke apart, so I'm really happy to have some more high quality dividers. I also bought like 4 folders. I got the nice 5-star quality ones. These hold up really well. One is red, one is white, one is like a hot pink, and one of them is blue. I originally wanted to get all white folders because I love that like basic white aesthetic, but I realized like I'm not going to be able to tell the difference between my folders for classes, so I got more colors. Now I have my binders. I got these 2 huge binders. One of them is a white and one of them is a light gray. Okay, I totally forgot to show you guys, but I also got some pens. I got these like Bic pens. These are seriously the best pens. I use them every day because I like to journal every day. These pens are so comfortable. They make your writing look so good. And I also got some mechanical pencils for school. I do not like pencils. I do not even like mechanical pencils, but you have to use them for math and other classes, so we'll deal with it. But that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and best wishes on your school year.